All right, so let's talk about how to use Doodle to do scheduling. So you want to go to this website, doodle.com, and you're going to create a doodle. You need to sign up. You can sign up, using your Google if you want to, or you can do it using your regular email address. Once you've done that, though, you're going to go to log in. And this is really super handy because you can also make your doodles confidential, but you want to make sure that you do a specific setting. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you're going to go to Create a Doodle, and what you're going to do is you're going to enter your title. So if you want to do 504 meetings, okay, location, Deer Park Elementary School. And then you can add whatever note you want to, like please respond by, I don't know, please respond by May 31st, okay, something like that. And then you click continue. And then after you do that, this is step 2, and you are going to, and so when you get to this step, you're going to select the days that you possibly want to do these meetings. So let's say that you want to do these meetings, I don't know, well, since we said, have it in by the 31st, maybe you could do it this week in June or something. If you need to add additional times, you can. So for example, if you want to do like 8:30 in the morning to 9 o'clock. So you can be really specific with the times, however you want to do it. So it can be specific to the times, or it can be specific to just the day. But if you want to have specific times, you would go over here and do that. And then, of course, if you need different times for each day, it breaks up every day, and you can add the times, as you need to. I like to check out the settings down here because this is how you can make it confidential. Yes. So right here, you don't really want to check this one. You do probably want to limit the number of votes per option because you don't want 2 people to vote for the same time. Then you can limit the participants. And so when you limit the number of votes per option, this is like a first come, first served kind of thing. And then if you want to, you can limit participants to a single vote. And by doing this, they can only vote one time. So that gives them the specific time that they are going to meet with you. So you probably want to check these 2 options. And you do want this to be a hidden poll, I'm assuming, because you want it to be confidential. So only you can see the results. But you have to keep a link that I'm going to show you in just a second to make sure that you can access this poll. So you're going to click confirm, and you want to make sure that your time zone is correct. Continue. And then you're going to just tell your participants who you are. You don't really have to do anything like that because you're probably going to send this out on a link. So when you go to finish, it gives you this link here. And it says everyone with the link can vote. So there's no account required. So they do not have to sign in or anything like that. Copy this, and you can change the web address that you want to use. And I do that by going to tinyurl.com. And you just paste the really long URL that you want. And let's say that you want it to be tinyurl.com 504 meeting, DPES. Let's say that you want to do that. I'm not going to use that web address because you could possibly use that one. And then after you do that, you're going to go to make tinyurl. And then what you can do with that link is just send it out on a note, or you can... So you can send it out on a note, or you can send it out to your parents however you want to. All right. If you need anything else, let me know. Thanks. Bye.